Myself J. Vijay Malaya from Department of Agriculture. I am here to explain the application of AI in agriculture. First, let us see the design thinking. Design thinking involves developing design concepts that are user-centric by applying cognitive, strategic, and practical process. There are 5 steps in design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Empathy. Empathy is the ability to emotionally understand what other people feel, see things from their point of view, and imagine yourself in their place. Define. Agriculture plays a significant role in the economic sector. The automation in agriculture is the main concern and the emerging subject across the world. The population is increasing tremendously, and with this increase, the demand of food and employment is also increasing. The traditional methods which were used by the farmers were not sufficient enough to fulfill these requirements. Thus, new automated methods were introduced. Ideate. With the change in climatic condition and increasing pollution, it's difficult for farmers to determine the right time for sowing seed. With the help of artificial intelligence, farmer can analyze weather conditions by using weather forecasting, which helps they plan the type of crop can be grown and when should seeds be sown. A German-based tech startup Peat has developed an AI-based application called Plantix that can identify the nutrient deficiency in soil including plant pests and diseases, by which farmers can also get an idea to use fertilizer which helps to improve the harvest quality. Insect and disease detection. Using image recognition technology based on deep learning, we can now automate detection of plant disease and pests. This works using classification, detection, and image segmentation methods to build models that can keep an eye on plant health. Researchers first set up sticky trap to capture 6 different species of flying insect and collect real-time images. Then they based on detection and coarse counting method on YOLO observed detection and the classification and fine counting on support vector machines using global features. When all was said and done, their computer vision model was able to identify bees, flies, mosquitoes, moths, chaffers, and fruit flies with an accuracy of 90.18% and count them with 92.5% accuracy. Conclusion. The future of farming depends largely on adoption of cognitive solutions. While large-scale research is still in progress and some applications are already available in the market, the industry is still heavily undeserved. When it comes to handling realistic challenges faced by farmers and using autonomous decision making and predictive solutions to solve them, farming is still at a nascent stage. In order to explore the enormous scope of AI in agriculture, application needs to be more robust. Only then will it be able to handle frequent changes in external conditions, facilitate real-time decision making, and make use of appropriate framework for collecting non-textual data in an efficient manner. Thank you.